Hi, I'm Devin, and I'm the head of customer service for Vive Health. And in today's video, I'll cover the 6 easy steps to assembling the Vive Bariatric Commode. The Commode features a durable steel frame and anti-skid rubber tips for added safety and stability. I'll also go over some of the features of the Commode that make it convenient, especially for caregivers. Included with your Commode, you will find one Commode frame with pre-installed bucket frame and 4 pre-installed legs, one removable backrest, one toilet seat and lid, one bucket and lid, and one splash guard. Step 1, set the Commode down on the floor and unfold the frame. Step 2, bring the bucket frame up, fit the 2 ends into the sockets using the locking pins. You'll hear the pins click into place in the sockets on the back. Step 3, we'll now turn the Commode frame over to adjust the length of the legs. Using the locking pins here, press the locking pin in, either push or pull the leg section until the locking pin pops into place in another one of the adjustment holes, and make sure that all 4 legs are adjusted to the same length. And now turn the frame back over. Step 4, we'll fit the backrest into the sockets on the rear of the Commode frame. What you do is you'll depress the locking pins as you fit the backrest into the sockets. Make sure that it's curved back away from the seat frame and push down until the locking pins pop into place in the holes. Step 5, we'll now fit the toilet seat onto the back of the bucket frame here using the clips. Hook those on and press down firmly to attach. Do the same with the seat cover. The seat cover will fit outside of the clips for the seat. Then lift those up. Step 6, you will fit the splash guard down into the bucket frame. The splash guard can be used independently of the bucket if the Commode is being used as a raised toilet seat. It's just positioned over a toilet and used as normal. And finally, install the bucket down into the splash guard in the frame, and it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.